Hello guys, again this is Rudra, and in this video we are going to learn about exposure control, which is one of the most important part of filmmaking. Exposure is basically how much light you are allowing to get to the sensor of your camera while you are taking photos or videos. For controlling the exposure of your footage, we have three main parameters. Number one is the aperture, second is the shutter speed, and the third one is the ISO. Instead of going for an auto mode in your camera, I recommend you to go for a manual control mode where you will have much more control over your exposure. Manual control gives you full control over your camera, and it is very important to know all these controls before you start filmmaking. This is an exposure triangle that you are looking at. All the three parts are the exposure controls, which you can use to control how much light you want to allow into your camera. We are going to learn about these exposure controls in the upcoming videos, so I hope you guys are excited to learn about it.